Beautiful building site here. Tell me a little bit about this project and what HomeWrights' role is.
Well, it is beautiful. Unfortunately, we got a beautiful day here in Monument, which is just north of Colorado Springs. And we got a little higher elevation here, so it gets mild in the winter and cooler in the summer, so it's a great place. And this project went about. Brian and Jen Fujimoto contacted us through the website and email. They were both graduates from the Air Force Academy, and they've owned this property for quite a while. And so they started, they were getting close to retirement. Brian was already retired and had his own company going. Jen was getting close to retirement, so they wanted to start planning to build their dream home here on this lot. And so it was great. We had a nice early start. We were able to plan things out and kind of nibble at things to get up to where we're ready to start building, and that really worked great. We were able to steer them in the right direction and give them the knowledge that they needed to accomplish things, even though they were out of state.
So you started before they actually lived here?
That's correct. They were actually stationed in South Korea when we started but we were able to get it rolling and get it started. They visited a couple of times while they were there, so we were able to meet up with them at our office and get them going in the right direction. They weren't sure where their path was leading from South Korea yet, if it was going to be here or if they were possibly going to be stationed in Virginia. They ended up in Virginia, so that they were able to come out a couple of times during that time. But with me being here locally, I was able to handle a few things that they couldn't while they were out of state. But it helped so that when they got here, everything was ready to go for them. So
Brian's a home inspector, so he obviously knows a little bit about this business, but he said he's never built a custom home before.
Right.
So were you a little nervous about having both the skill and, somebody who's really going to double, triple check everything on you?
No, not really, because that's, you want somebody who knows what to look for and know what to expect. We were talking about roof, and a lot of people just think about the beautiful roof that they want, and they don't think about the practicality of it. Well, Brian, being an inspector, knows the issues that he's run into over the years with a roof that might have a 12 and 12 pitch roof, might have a flat area. So he knew all the ins and outs and knew that he wanted to keep a couple areas rather simple instead of making it complicated and potential problems down the line. So that part of it was great. The subs might not like his detail and things like that.
They're going to work hard on that one, huh?
That's right. They might have to redo a couple of things along the way, but that's the case. So,
all right, summarize for us how HomeWrights is helping on this project.
Well, we helped, fortunately, through all the planning, and when it came time to discuss materials, we were able to help them out with information on certain materials that might be better than others. We were able to help them talk to subcontractors that are on our list, and
saving them some money too, right?
Absolutely. We definitely, by coming in and being consultants with him, he was able to save considerable amount of money.
Okay, so let's talk about that specifically. So tell me a little bit. Brian mentioned the toolbox. What is the toolbox?
The toolbox, the HomeWrights toolbox, is what we have that is a list of every contractor that you'll need to build your house. And we have multiple contractors because, let's face it, a lot of times personalities won't match up, so we like to give our clients options. And we recommend that while you're requesting quotes for the project, whether it be concrete, electrical, plumbing, meet the people out here that are giving you the quotes, talk to them a little bit, get a feel for who they are, how they run their business, and their personality, because someone that I might be comfortable working with, Brian may not. So if he gets out and talks to him, he may make a choice that's better for him.
But the HomeWrights toolbox gives you those choices, and they're vetted.
Absolutely, they are 100% vetted. Yes, we background check them. We check their previous work and companies that they've worked for, and know that they're quality individuals.
And, you know, that framer might be the first and last time this individual who's building the custom home would ever use them, but HomeWrights has been using them for 10 years and will probably use them for another 10 or 20 years, right?
Absolutely, yes, that is correct.